You've probably heard that if you want to rank in Google, you need to publish high quality content. And while this is true, it's also super hard to take action on. After all, what does high quality content actually mean? So yeah, you do want to publish awesome content on your site, but it needs to be the type of high quality content that people share on social media and link to. That's because, well, you might already know, Google's algorithm is largely based on backlinks. The more backlinks your site has, the higher you'll rank. And the best way to build backlinks on your site, publish content that people will actually link to, also known as link bait. Here are a few ways to increase the odds that people link to your content. Become a data source. In other words, publish something that other people can cite in their own blog content. Focus on long form content. I talked a little bit about longer content all the way back in step 1. Well, as it turns out, longer content is also great for getting links. While there is no perfect word count for blog posts, content that's 3,000 plus words tends to do best when it comes to link building. Publish visual content. I'm talking about stuff like infographics, maps, charts, flowcharts, videos. Visual content is great for getting links. That is only step 7 to rank number 1 on Google. Don't worry, I'll be going through the whole shebang in order for you to achieve your goals. So keep your eyes peeled for step 8. If you want more tips and advice regarding all things SEO, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more essential content. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.